The Deluxe Trammel System is now in production, so let's take a behind-the-scenes look at how this tool is made. Our automated saw cuts a huge stack of the beams in one cut, and to a tolerance measured to thousandths of an inch. After the beams are anodized, the scales are laser engraved with both inch and metric scales. This time-lapse video shows the engraving 5 times faster than actual speed. Next, over in the turning department, we're working on the 2 parts of the specially designed mechanical pencil. The completed parts are thoroughly inspected by the operator, who checks by gauge and by fitting to mating parts. Over in the milling department, aluminum blocks are loaded in large gangs to make the pencil holder attachments. When they come out of the mill, the operator checks each one while the next batch is running. Back in turning, the adjustable clamp sliders and the centering cones are turned from aluminum. Work will continue on the Deluxe Trammel System, and shipping will begin soon. In the meantime, stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.